Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. This is the 14th episode of our series From Zero to Hero. In today's episode of our series From Zero to Hero, we are going to do something different. And you know what? It's all about thinking in English. I know thinking in English can feel challenging, especially if you are used to translating from your native language. And that's completely normal. Today, I'll make you think in English. It's a little challenge. I'm going to ask you 4 questions. Simple but very interesting questions. Your job is to answer that questions naturally without thinking a lot in English. You need to answer these questions aloud. Each of these questions will help you get comfortable in expressing your thoughts in English. The goal isn't perfection. It's about training your mind to respond in English without overthinking and without fear. After each question, I'll give you some time to give your answer aloud. If you need more time, just pause this video. You can pause this video anytime you want. This is all about practice and not pressure. So, let's get started. Relax and have fun. Remember, you are here to grow and not to be perfect. Also, don't forget to say your answers loudly. What's your favorite meal of the day and why? What's your favorite meal of the day and why? Great! Don't worry if you made a mistake. The goal is to get comfortable. Keep going. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be and why? If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be and why? Hey, 2 more to go. Let's make it more challenging. Remember, don't stress about grammar. Just focus on getting your thoughts out in English. If you suddenly won $1 million, what's the first thing you would buy? If you suddenly won $1 million, what's the first thing you would buy? You are doing great! Just one final question to push your English thinking skills. If you could invent a new holiday, what would it celebrate and how would people enjoy it? If you could invent a new holiday, what would it celebrate and how would people enjoy it? Fantastic! How was it? Did you enjoy it? I hope you all answered the 4 questions. If not, it's okay. Just keep practicing. Now I'll give you some little tips that can help you think in English easily. Use simple English sentences for your thoughts. Don't overcomplicate sentences. You can also try narrating your everyday activities in English. Practice speaking without translating. Try to express your emotions in English. You shouldn't always stick to your native language to express your emotions. Try to express it in English. Also, try to use familiar vocabulary. Try to use the words you already know and later on build up your vocabulary. Later on you can start using new words and phrases once you are used to thinking in English. Now, if you feel like repeating that challenge once again, like after listening to this tip, you got some idea how to think in English, just go back and listen to those questions and answer them again. Practice thinking in English. So, we did it! Congratulations! We just completed the challenge. The thinking challenge that can help you improve your English and can help you speak English fluently. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video and please feel free to share your thoughts about this session in the comments. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.